slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys, Mike with RV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at a black pair of Prestos. Before I get into this video, you guys that have subscribed to this new channel, you already know what happened. Hopefully you watched this because I've been re-uploading a lot of older videos that you guys may have already seen. This is a new one. So yeah man, almost at 200 subscribers on the new channel. Old one got taken down. Y'all already know how it goes with that stuff. That's why I always say following my Instagram is the most important thing you can do, because you stay up to date on everything if anything ever happens like that again, which I assume it will eventually, because it already happened. Like what, that's my third channel that got taken down, I think. Yeah, so you know, this is my fourth channel that I made, so prayers up. But that last channel that got taken down was at 4.7k subs. That was my biggest channel for as far as reviews go. So yeah man, with all that being said, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, show some love, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, and last but not least, follow my Instagram. Like I said, link will be in the description. So these are a pair of off-white Nike Air Prestos in the black colorway that was released a few months ago. One of my friends wanted a pair, so ordered him a pair off of YesKicks, and this is what they came like. So I'm gonna try to make this video not too long, but yeah, he ordered a pair of these and a pair of the Fear of God Nike Air ones through me. So yeah man, local, I don't sell anything, so it's a local friend of mine. But yeah, let's just get into it. So there's that, that's the information. So the website, email, WeChat, all right there. I got a couple new videos that were actually meant to be on my last channel, but my channel got shut down like literally the day before I was gonna upload them, from, I don't know if you guys know, a site called Profound Co. For jeans. I got a couple pairs of jeans off them, so those videos will go up relatively soon, I imagine too. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Shipping with YesKicks, I don't know if I mentioned it, is usually about a week with standard shipping, and if you get express DHL shipping, expect in like 3 to 4 days after you receive your tracking information. Keep in mind that you have to give them around 2 to 3 days to process your order too before you get the tracking and before it actually ships. So with all that aside, let's check out the box. So you got the Nike swoosh on the top, got that nice gloss to it. And this is size tag, the 10 Nike Air Presto, size 9.5, black, white cone, retail, suggested retail 160 USD. There's that. Shoebox, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 2017, and just some different Nike branding on the bottom. You guys already know more or less how the off-white boxes go. Open it up, reverse Nike box, inside out. There's that kind of like thing, sticker that you see on all retail pairs, and then on the inside you just got the off-white paper. Double check there's nothing else in here, and then it comes with a blue pair of shoelaces. One flaw already is that these should come with an orange pair, but it's really no big deal, at least to me, as long as the shoes are proper. I mean, if I were to wear these shoes, I'd probably wear them exclusively with just the black laces anyways, unless I'm orienting my fit around something orange. So yeah, throw that box to the side and let's check out the shoes. So this is the right shoe. As you can see, it is black, so the contrast may be off throughout the video like it usually is on black stuff, which is kind of annoying, but hey, it happens, man, it happens. Could take it up to make it better though. But yeah, so you can see the font of the Air looks pretty good to me. I already checked these shoes over more or less, and honestly I haven't really seen much wrong with them. Kind of just getting back into the groove of making videos because I've just been re-uploading old stuff on my new channel to get some content up. So here are the shoes, man. You got that nice faded off-white text, which is how it should be. But yeah, just a quick look at these off-white Prestos from YesKicks. There's the little orange tag, stitch, does have the right texture. Seems to be stitched the proper way, I think. Not an expert again, so got the Nike right there, stitched sideways. You should have a red stitch right there, which you do, nice and straight too. Got the exposed foam on the inside, it says the 10. Got the arrows, size 9.5 men's. Shoelaces, looks pretty good. Do a test, can I rub stuff off? Not really, it's just that little little printing flaw on the E there, but you can't really rub the writing itself off. And oh man, my back, feeling old, man, feeling old these days. I don't know where they put the size tag on these. Oh yeah, it's right there. So there you go, there's a size tag. Got the Nike swoosh at the top, blue underneath the insole. I'm not gonna take it out, but that's what it is. Yep, there's the bottom. Trying to make these two videos I'm doing tonight a little bit rushed, just because I've been waiting all day to make them. Just had some stuff come up that I'd take care of first, so it's been quite a busy day. Went to a dentist and all that stuff too, so don't really have a lot of energy to make these videos. Down on the inside you got this little paper stuff, just gonna put it back in there. But these shoes look pretty on point to me, man. Got the made in China thing right there, Presto. Underneath the tag, or the tongue, sorry, you got the little Presto logo. If I could take it out, there you go. You can see the little swoosh just barely on the top side of how I'm showing it. It would be on the bottom when you're wearing it. It's like here, a little swoosh. It's transparent and stuff, but if you guys have regular pairs of Prestos without the foam on the tongue, you know what I'm talking about. There's the left shoe. Something I did notice about the tag. Gotta keep it real with you guys, like always. You can literally easily scratch off the lettering on this tag. Don't know what's up with that, but hey man, it is what it is. For you guys that do like wearing the zip ties, maybe these aren't for you, or you could just ask them to see them a little bit better if you were to order these from them. So besides that, midsole is pretty squishy. It's a nice Presto feel on there. Yeah, not too much glue stains on these too, especially on a black shoe. You're usually prone kind of to seeing glue stains on them and stuff like that. Got the little swoosh right there on the leather. Inside, yeah guys, so this is the black off-white Nike Prestos from the 10. Shoe you guys have already probably seen a million times, but here's another time for y'all. Anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna end the video right here. Got another video to do, the Nike Air for your gods that I got them as well. Want to show you guys those. So yeah man, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Shouts out to you guys subscribing to a new channel, showing love still, rocking with me like that the long way. But yeah man, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys stay blessed, have an awesome day, and I'll check you guys in my next video. Peace.